Hello everyone, welcome back to Gruhinis world. Today I am going to show you a crispy and protein rich breakfast recipe called Pesarattu by adding few important ingredients with perfect measurements to make it more and more tastier and healthier. So let's get started. You can skip rice and add poha or atukulu by soaking it 30 minutes before grinding. Chana Dal and poha will provide that crispiness to our dosas. You can add these extra ingredients for flavor along with the moong dal for grinding. It doesn't matter as long as the batter is smooth and thin consistency like our regular dosa batter to get a crisper dosas. Friends, some people like to have thick batter, but if we want crisper dosas, we need to make the batter little thinner. Add chopped onions immediately, otherwise onions doesn't stick to the dosa. Friends, if you follow these exact measurements and prepare this way, I'm pretty sure you're gonna include this most yummy pesarattu recipe in your weekly routine. If you try this recipe, don't forget to share your valuable feedback with me in the comment section below. Also, like and share it with your family and friends. Thank you. Bye.